Hey, what's up, you guys? My name's Shane, and I'm the lead designer at Order from Chaos, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about our company today. So we are a social media marketing company, but we're so much more than that. We can handle anything from websites, videos, photography, flyer design, business cards. We do it all. We are your marketing company, and we will help you grow your business more than you could ever think of growing it. So we specialize in social media content creation and management. What that means is we take over your social media presence and we grow your brand one step at a time until you are out here competing and you're just becoming the best version of yourself. So what we do is we take a full analysis of your social media, of your goals, any inspiration you have, what you want to look like, your brand. We dream up, design, and brand custom content for your social media. So if you're a high-end real estate agent, we're gonna market to your audience. And if you own a restaurant, we're gonna have the most relevant content coming out of your page, reaching your audience and getting people into your seats. So our goal is to grow your business. If you're winning, we're winning. All we want to see is for your business to grow and expand and to reach new levels that you never thought of reaching before. So if you're interested in that, visit our website at www.ordermychaos.com. Follow us on Instagram, Order My Chaos Marketing. All the links will be down below.
This video is coming to you from the desk of Shane DeFries right here. We just wanted to update you guys and let you know some of the progress that we're making as a branding, marketing, and consulting company. Some huge things happened today. We met with a couple people. First, we're teaming up and partnering with an awesome business owner. He has a debt consolidation and credit repair company, and a mortgage company. And so we're gonna be taking over their social media, and you'll see some of the posts and stuff we're doing with them soon. We met with one of our current clients, fully promoted, and we love this group of people. They're super fun to work with, super sharp and super smart. They actually are one of at least 200 franchises, and they produce the most volume of units of what they sell. They do amazing stuff with t-shirts, banners, promotional materials like frisbees and bottle openers. You could get all kinds of stuff. Make sure you check them out. Fully promoted in Bel Air. The Bel Air location is where we're working with, and they're going to be using all of our services. We offer all kinds of marketing services, not just social media, with their clients. So we're super excited about that. It's going to help us grow and expand and bring on some new designers and project managers. Had a great meeting with a guy who is a vice president of one of the largest audio and video companies in the country. They actually have 11 locations throughout America, and we're just super pumped. We're going to be partnering with them to help with their church audio video installs. Shane and I specialize in that. We've been working together for 8 years, and we know every piece of that process. And so we're excited to start doing some of that, be consulting, bringing installers in to install the equipment, creating the whole system, which Shane is a professional at. So we're super excited about the next steps with that relationship.
And we're really all about just giving back to the community and making a difference in people's lives. So I'm able to use the skills that I've learned and refined over the past 8 years to help people grow their small businesses. And it's amazing to see someone's business turn around and to see the excitement within someone about starting their business over and just being able to understand that they can grow, and just seeing people that are on the brink of giving up on their dreams and to show them that we can help them. It's just awesome that I get to experience this every day, and this is my job now. Being able to take someone and help them understand how Facebook marketing works and how Instagram works and how their posts are show them what's going on and how they're improving and their metrics, and just being able to have a client come to us and say, look at what your marketing is doing for our business. Look at how you're helping us grow. Look at how you are impacting our lives. Just giving back to people and investing in people's lives and investing in their businesses and just helping them grow is just the most amazing feeling in the world. And we're not out here trying to make money. We're out here trying to give back to the world, and it is the best feeling. We are working with nonprofits, and we're working with small businesses and restaurants and realtors, and we can just help people give back to the community in every capacity possible.
Keep watching what we're doing. We're going to keep posting content. We're building a business from the ground up that's going to make a big splash around this country. So we're excited that you're tuning in. Hey, for any needs, marketing needs, social media needs, consulting stuff, check out our website, ordermychaos.com. You can check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We're always active and love putting content out there. And in our blog, we do a weekly blog of how to be a rock star with your social media.
So if you're interested in that, or if you want to know anything else, we offer a free strategy session that you can book and learn more about what we do, who we are, and how we can help you. So thank you for watching. Visit our website and get more information about Order from Chaos. Thank you.